Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
It's the Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost ST-Line, finished in this lovely metallic grey paint. It's ready for immediate delivery, and you'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle as well, with a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those LED daytime running lights, keeping you visible on the road at all times. And down the side of the car, got these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with privacy guards from the B-pillar backwards as well. So you have a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, so plenty of room for your weekly shop plus much more there. And just moving on to the interior, you've got lovely pattern cloth seats with the contrasting red stitching, with ISOFIX points on the outer seats as well. In the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and a couple of cup holders running down the centre there as well. Just moving on to the infotainment screen, you've got digital radio as well as multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on hand, so you can mirror apps directly from your smartphone onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got sat-nav navigation on board as well, with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got your manual air conditioning, which is nice and easy to adjust. And of course, being a Ford, you've got the heated front windscreen as well, so perfect during winter, with a USB port a little bit further below.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.